Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide like count on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone. And the first thing we have to do if we want to hide like count on Instagram is clicking on our profile button right here. Then if you want to hide like count on certain posts, you can select the post that you want to hide the like count. And for example, I'm going to select this post. So just click on the post and then you can click on this three dots button on the top right corner right here. Okay, and we can click on hide like count. Okay, and now the like count has been hidden. But if you want to hide the like count of all your Instagram posts, you can go to the Instagram setting. So just go back to the profile section. Then you can click on this button right here, guys. Wait. Okay, and then there will be several options for you, and you have to select settings and privacy, and then you are going to click on like count. Click on like count, then just click on this toggle button to hide the like count of all your posts on Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide like count on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on another tutorial.